In this video, we're going to study imperial measures and their approximate metric equivalents. If you are revising, you can have a go at questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. You wouldn't be expected to know any of the conversions unless they are pounds to kilograms, so you should be able to do that without any help. And miles to kilometres, you should be able to do that with any help. Questions 2 and 4, you will need to look at this table to help you, and they would give you the conversions in the question. Right, let's start from the start bit. Anyway, I'll not read through all of this here, but for length, mass and capacity, you can measure it using metric units or you can use imperial units, and some abbreviations there as well. Now you must know it going into your exam that 5 miles is approximately 8 kilometres and that 1 kilogram is approximately 2.2 pounds. Now you may have to convert other quantities from imperial to metric units, but these conversion equivalences will be given. So we've got a table here which gives you some examples, and they could use different approximate conversions as well, because they are only approximations. There are different ways you can compare metric and imperial depending on how precise you want to be. So there's just some. Let's get stuck in. Question 1. A 2.5 kilogram bag of potatoes is approximately how many pounds? So going into the question, you should know that 1 kilogram is approximately 2.2 pounds, lbs for short. So if we've got 2.5 kilograms, we need to multiply 2.2 by 2.5. Now you could at the calculator, but 2.5, to go from 1 to 2.5, you can double it, which should be 4.4, and then add on another half, which is 1.1. So 4.4 and 1.1 is 5.5. So 2.5 kilograms is 5.5 pounds. Number 2. A bucket holds 5 gallons of water. Approximately how many litres is this? So we're going to try and change gallons to litres. You wouldn't be expected to know that, so you could use this here conversion for capacity. 1 gallon is 4.5 litres. So 5 gallons would be 5 times 4.5. 5 4s are 20. 5 0.5s is 2.5. So that's 22.5 litres. Number 3. The distance from Belfast to Dublin is approximately 100 miles. Find the distance in kilometres. You would be expected to know the conversion between miles and kilometres. So the conversion is that 5 miles is approximately 8 kilometres. So that would tell you then that 10 miles is approximately 16 kilometres. And the reason for doing that is we want 100 miles, so we can just times that by 10. So no need for a calculator there. We've got 160 kilometres. In question 4, we've got to convert 14 litres to pints. So you wouldn't be expected to know litres to pints. So one way of converting litres to pints is that 4 litres is approximately 7 pints. Okay, so 4 litres is approximately equal to 7 pints. There are different ways you can do this. You could use a calculator. You could find out what 1 litre would be. 1 litre would tell you would be 1.75 pints. And then times that by 14 because you want 14 litres. You could do it non-calculator as well approach, but you get the idea. That gives you 24.5 pints. That's it. If you want to know how to do it non-calculator, just keep listening though. So how would I do it non-calculator? I know that 4 litres is 7 pints, so I would get 8 litres would be 14 pints. Add on the 4 litres, which is 7 pints. Or I could just tripled it really, which would be 12 litres is approximately 21 pints. And then we need another 2 litres. And 2 litres if 4 litres is 7 pints, you'd have to half that to get 2 litres. Half of 7 is 3.5. And so we can add 12 and 2 to get 14, add 21 and 3.5 to get 24.5.